Everyone, and welcome back to my holiday organizing series, where every day since the day after Thanksgiving I have been trying to upload an organizing tip daily to hopefully bring a little more organization to your holiday season. Now in this video I want to talk about how taking photos of all the decorations you have up around your house can help you become more prepared and better organized for next holiday season. And this is where my downloadable PDF really can help you. You have been hearing me talk about it this whole holiday season, and I want to show you two specific templates that can really be game changers when it comes to preparing for next year's holiday season. And if you'd like my PDF but haven't had a chance to order it yet, I will leave the link in the description box below. And if you happen to be just a little bit skittish about how the process works on getting the PDF, I will include at the end of this video a little step-by-step process to show you how easy it is. So let me show you how these two templates I'm talking about really can help you out. Okay, now before you take even one decoration down, go around your house and take photos of all the decorations you put up this past holiday season. Now this is the binder that I created out of the downloadable PDF that I've been talking about this whole season. And as you can see, I've got them all categorized. We're going to go to winter decor. Now I labeled the top of this page, living room, obviously, and then I put the pictures that I took around our living room. Now at the bottom here, you'll notice I say put a circle around the decorations you want to keep for next year and put an X through any decorations you want to eliminate, that you're tired of, that you weren't too happy with. It's all about analyzing these photos before you start next year. Now we've been doing our living room for a long time and the decorations we have are pretty much set in place. So I'm really not going to change anything in my living room. But you can see I have several pages I printed out, which is really nice with the PDF because you can print as many pages as you need. If you decorate 10 rooms, you can print up 10 of these pages. It's fully customizable to your needs. But again, I included every single area of the decorations in our living room, up to and including every shelf on a corner unit in our living room. Now I always recommend my clients to always leave room for growth. So I have some unused photo sections here should we decide to add more decorations next year. Okay, now this is more like an inventory sheet that you would use after you take the photos. And right here you would list all your current decorations, which is what I did with our living room. We really don't have plans to change things up, so I didn't put any new ideas here. And down here is where I put a shopping list, so to speak, of anything I would need to create that new idea. Which takes me to this next section, which is our kitchen and family room. We are going to change something up next year, and that's in this area above our kitchen cabinets. Right now it currently has garland, which has lights on it, so it's a lot brighter in real life. We're going to actually include a little snowman winterland up there next year. All right, and so I'll show you how that works out on that inventory sheet. Here's the inventory sheet for that area of our house. See, I've listed it as the kitchen and family room. Here's our new snowman village above the cabinets idea. And down here, I've started to create a list of what we're going to need for that area. This is how it works in my binder. Now, some of you may not even be binder type people. So in that case, I would recommend still printing these pages up and put them in a page protector like this. So I've got my photos on the one side, and you flip it over and there's my inventory sheet. What you can do with this is just slip it in the box you store all your decorations. That way next year when you pull it out, you can see what you want to do and also check the inventory that you have and what you might need to purchase. So like I said, my PDF is very versatile depending on how you like to set up your decorations for the holidays. So by taking these photos and using these templates, it not only helps me remember what I did this year, but it also makes setting up holiday decorations next year a whole lot easier, which will make it a whole lot faster, which will make it a whole lot more organized. So it's a win-win-win situation. Okay, I hope you found this tip helpful. Be sure to check back tomorrow because I will be talking about all sorts of different storage ideas for your holiday decorations. And if you are interested in ordering my downloadable PDF, the link is in the description box below, and in just a couple seconds, I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so all you need to do is basically just look below my video to the description box. It's right here below my video. Then you just click on the Show More, and then it'll say to purchase my holiday downloadable PDF right there. And you just simply click on the link right next to it. That'll take you to this page. It's the Pay page. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you will see a Pay with PayPal. Just click on that button. That'll take you to this page. Now, if you have a PayPal account, you can just put in your email up here. Otherwise, you can create an account down below here. Then just add in your email and then press Continue to Payment. That'll take you to this page. Now, I blocked out some of my personal information, but you go to where it says Add Debit or Credit Card, click there, add in your payment information, and then press Pay Now. That'll bring you to this page where you can see it says Holiday Binder Organizer AZ911. Here's the download button. You just click on that download button right there, and there is my PDF. You can either print it up right away or save it to your desktop and print it up later. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.